Did you know a mob hitman once used taxidermy skills to become one of the most terrifying killers in mafia history? Meet Tommy Patera. By day, he was a professional taxidermist who knew how to preserve animals. By night, he was a cold-blooded killer for the Bonanno crime family. From 1982 to 1990, Patera turned murder into a twisted science. He would study his targets for weeks, learning their routines. Then he'd lure them to quiet places where no one could hear them scream. But here's what made him truly horrifying. Patera used the same tools he used on dead animals to dismember his victims. He had special knives, bone saws, and acid baths set up in his Staten Island home. He would dissolve body parts until nothing remained. His most shocking crime involved Frank Gangi, whose remains were scattered across multiple states to avoid detection. Patera thought he was untouchable. But in 1992, the FBI had been listening. They recorded him casually discussing his dismemberment techniques like a cooking recipe. He got life in prison for 6 murders, ending one of the mob's most methodical killing sprees.